Hey there, friends, and welcome back to the channel. Did you know that every single second, more than 10,000 bottles of Coca-Cola are opened somewhere on this planet? That's right, while you're watching this video, millions of people around the world are drinking the exact same beverage. But here's the real question. What if I told you that the world's most famous drink was originally sold as medicine? And that its secret formula is locked away in a vault that almost no one on Earth has ever seen? Stay with me, because today we're diving deep into the fizzy, mysterious world of Coca-Cola. So, how does this legendary drink actually get from the factory to your fridge? Let's break it down step by step. Everything starts with water, the main ingredient. The water goes through multiple stages of filtration and purification to make sure it's absolutely clean and pure. Next, the secret concentrate, produced only by the Coca-Cola Company, is mixed with sugar and purified water to create a thick, sweet syrup. The syrup is then combined with more purified water and injected with carbon dioxide. This is what gives Coca-Cola those tiny, refreshing bubbles we all love. The finished drink is sent through high-speed bottling lines, where bottles and cans are sterilized, filled, sealed, and labeled, sometimes at a rate of over 1,000 units per minute. Before anything leaves the factory, samples are tested for taste, color, carbonation, and safety. If it doesn't pass, it doesn't ship. And finally, the bottles are loaded onto trucks and shipped to more than 200 countries around the world, ready to be opened, poured, and enjoyed. So why do we all love Coca-Cola so much? Is it the unique taste? The nostalgia? The brilliant marketing? The way it sparkles in the glass on a hot summer day? Honestly, it's probably all of those things. Coca-Cola isn't just a drink, it's a feeling. It's birthdays, road trips, family dinners, and movie nights. It's a tiny moment of happiness in a red can. And that's the story behind the world's most famous soda. Pretty fascinating, right? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive. And don't forget to drop a comment below. What's your favorite soda, and do you think Coca-Cola really deserves its crown? Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!